To start with digital marketing, you can follow these steps. Define your goals. Determine what you want to achieve through digital marketing. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales, having clear goals will help you focus your efforts. Identify your target audience. Understand your target audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior. This information will guide your marketing strategies and help you reach the right people with your campaigns. Build your online presence. Create a professional website that represents your brand effectively. Optimize it for search engines, SEO, to improve its visibility in organic search results. Establish your presence on social media platforms relevant to your target audience. Content creation. Develop high-quality and engaging content that resonates with your audience. This can include blog articles, videos, infographics, ebooks, podcasts, or social media posts. Your content should provide value, educate, entertain, or solve problems for your target audience. Search engine optimization, SEO. Implement on-page and off-page SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility in search engine rankings. This involves optimizing your website structure, keywords, meta tags, and building high-quality backlinks from reputable sources. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. Set up online advertising campaigns using platforms like Google Ads or social media advertising platforms. Define your target audience, choose relevant keywords, create compelling ad copies, and allocate a budget for your campaigns. Monitor and optimize your campaigns regularly to maximize their effectiveness. Social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience, promote your brand, and drive traffic to your website. Create a social media strategy. Choose the right platforms, schedule posts, engage with your followers, and track your performance using analytics tools. Email marketing. Build an email list of interested prospects or customers and create targeted email campaigns to nurture relationships and promote your products or services. Provide valuable content, personalize your messages, and segment your email list to increase engagement and conversions. Analytics and tracking. Use web analytics tools like Google Analytics to measure the performance of your digital marketing efforts. Monitor key metrics such as website traffic, conversions, click-through rates, and engagement levels. Analyze the data to identify areas of improvement and make data-driven decisions. Continuous learning and adaptation. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated with the latest trends, strategies, and tools. Join industry forums, attend webinars or conferences, and follow reputable marketing blogs and influencers to enhance your knowledge and skills. Remember, digital marketing is a dynamic field, and success often comes through experimentation, analysis, and adaptation. Start small, track your progress, and refine your strategies as you learn what works best for your business.